So this is just a very quick tutorial to give you a quick overview on how to do a drop cap for your text. So a drop cap is when you essentially make the first letter of a paragraph larger than the rest to indicate the start of that paragraph. It's something quite nice and stylistic to use in articles and double page spreads. So the first thing you obviously do is you highlight the first letter of that paragraph. Then you need to go to paragraph styles. You've typically got a paragraph style one, which is associated with the paragraph that you've created so far. What you need to do is click plus to make a new style. And if we just call that drop caps, then that's it. We want to then click on the paragraph style options and go into drop caps. Click on the pencil, and then a load of paragraph style options will come up. There is one called drop caps and nested styles, where it says drop caps. If we then just click that to 2 or 3, you can keep going and make it more dominating. I like the idea of just doing it over 2 lines. It looks much neater. And then click OK. And that's it in short, but what you do need to do is make sure that you do create a new paragraph style, because if you do it via the basic paragraph option, it will actually make a new drop cap for every paragraph, and that's obviously something that you don't typically want. So you need to make sure, so I'll just undo this quickly. You need to make sure that you select your new one and then change your drop cap for the start. And that's how to make a drop caps text. Thank you for watching.